Yes, hello. Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 12th, 2020. This fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle. Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this binary puzzle is an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, maximum 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started with the binary puzzle. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one and there one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there one. Double one, here and O, and then O. Double O, here and one, and then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then double one, here an O, and there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O, double O, here and one, there and one, double O, here and one, there and one, double one, here and O, there and O, double O, here and one, there and one, double one, here and O, and then O. Double one, here and O, then O, double O, here and one, then one. 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. 4 O's in a column. Double O, here and one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Do I need to compare? Well. 3, 4. I think I need to compare. Yes. This first column and this column, you see that? Empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. So I need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. Then 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare again. 1, 1. No. 1, 1. 101. Cannot compare this. 1, 1. Oh. No. Can I compare this 101. No. Can I compare? I cannot place here in O, otherwise I have here 3 ones. So this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3. How about Oh, 1, do we have 1, no. Well, 101. Oh, this is different. This I cannot compare. This is too short. How about this row? 101. Oh, yes. This row and this row. Let us compare. 1, empty box. 0011 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be an 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. Double O. Here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Could be faster. Anyway, thank you for watching. Download the PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper, a tectonic, aka Suguru. See you in a minute. Bye bye.